Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today we will see in this video, lovely viewer will see in this videos modern pre-crocheted cushions covers patterns, multicolor using your stylish easy crocheted cushions cover designs. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. I have uploaded beautiful, easy, homemade, hand-knitted, stylish crochet cushions cover designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download my videos, and if you like this one attractive crochet cushions covers ideas, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. So there's a huge variety of designs in this videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Top trending and stylish new attractive crochet cushions cover designs. If you like my videos, so download my videos, and you like this one stylish crochet cushions covers ideas, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. Watch my full videos and enjoy new modern easy crochet patterns. So my channel is all about stylish crochet cushions cover designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my full videos. Enjoying your trending easy crochet patterns. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to keep your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish, easy crochet cushions cover designs. Fabulous and attractive, you will see stylish, easy crochet patterns, ideas. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my full videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Easy, homemade, hand-knitted, new, stylish, top trending and attractive modern crochet cushions cover designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy your easy crochet cushions cover designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. These are all my favorite collections, so you will see all top trending and attractive multicolor using your stylish crochet cushions cover designs. Hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my full videos. Watch me all top stylish crochet cushions covered patterns. So my channel is all about easy crochet designs. So before visit my YouTube channel and check the all videos. Check the playlist videos and get amazing ideas of new top trending and attractive crochet cushions cover designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, enjoying all modern easy crochet patterns. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys, so watch my full videos and share your stylish crochet, multicolored, beautiful crochet cushions, cover designs. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish, easy crochet cushions, cover designs. So hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy new stylish crochet cushions, cover designs. Front, back and side with me all stylish crochet cushions, cover designs. Watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of stylish crochet cushions, covers, patterns. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. I will meet you in next